Oh my god. Dada, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh god, I have to take him to the hospital. Lucky he pressed that button. Yeah, so this is my new security device that I just made. As you could see, I just saved my grandfather because he could just press this on time and I received a notification on my phone right away. So the red one indicates the SOS button. You can see by the feedback that the message has been sent. And the green one right here is the OK button. So you can press the green button when you're actually safe or when you accidentally press the red one. So you can use this at various fronts like women's security and also elder people security, and also when you're out for a trek or bike riding. So this can basically track you because it has an inbuilt security feature that is GPS tracking. So anyone all around the world who has access to this device with a particular username and a password can access your location at any point of time. So this way you'll always be safe, always be guarded, always be protected. This device is called the Loop. It also has a 3G antenna which transfers signal through the 3G data network, and it goes to the IFTTT signal and it sends a notification on your phone. So when you press the red button, that is the SOS button, this is the message that you'll receive. Right here. These messages are the SOS messages, and when you press the green one, you will be perfectly alright. That will be the message that is flashing. These messages are basically the messages which will be self pre-coded. That is, you can set whatever the message you want it to be. So the code I have written it on a software, on an IDE, which is called the Particle app. So basically this you could find it online at build.particle.io. This is where I've coded this microprocessor of mine known as the Electron. So basically it's a device which is by the Particle Foundation group. This is the code that I have written right here. And this is my ready device. So this can basically send an SOS message, an OK message, and it can also track you. It has a good battery life and a good speed of sending the data. So within 5 to 10 seconds of you sending the message to the buttons, to the push buttons, you automatically get a notification right on your phone. So this is a device I made for protection of each and every one of you right there. So thank you and have a nice day.